Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of BioNTech SE. Decent amount of move in the midst of big volatility across the globe. And the good thing is the PE is normal. The price to earning ratio is just 11 times. So in a condition where the PE of most of the companies are above 50, 11 is pretty much normal, and if the company is earning or making good, obviously 11 is not a bad number to look at. Now let's see what's moving the needle as far as this particular stock is concerned. So let's go to the news section and let's see. So while this stock is moving over here, then we have this one. So why the stock went up 20% higher this week? Now as you can see, this stock was very much on investors' radar this week, and the vaccine developed in US pharmaceutical giant. So they are talking about the Pfizer, but this is not the only company they are talking about. So what has happened is the stock of BioNTech went up by 5% after FDA granted the authorization for boosters of both Comirnaty and Moderna, and this was especially welcome news given the pandemic cases have leaped to a 6-week high as the cold weather started to bite across the US. While Comirnaty is BioNTech's only approved product, the biotech is making a hard push to do more than just a pandemic stock. Somewhat lost in the satisfaction of the latest FDA booster approval is the fact that companies' effort in the cancer treatment sphere are bearing fruit. So there are specific news because of which the stock is particularly moving. Although we have very less amount of data, so this is the chart we have, but you can easily identify a swing out of it. And if you are looking at this particular chart, you can't get big moves, but what you can get are some steady moves, right? So this is what we have as far as the lower end of the range is concerned, and this is the higher end of the range, right? But the fun fact here is there is one extension which we can see, which is something like this. So I don't think this is the right way. Here we are. So this is the extension we have in case there is further move on this particular stock. So here we are. Right, so this is the trend in between which the stock is moving. So what we have here is $226 as your immediate support as well as your stop loss. So don't go below this level. The first range we have here is in between $715 and $873. But if it get extended, if there is an extension and the stock moves beyond this line, in that case the big swing or the big range that we have here is in between $1,162 and $1,500. So we have some pretty big swings going forward. It is just the time which will tell us whether it's going to happen or not. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.